Prime Minister Narendra Modi is chairing the second National Conference of Chief Secretaries in New Delhi. The conference is focused on achieving rapid and sustained economic growth in partnership with the states. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will address a public meeting in the Bishnupur district of Manipur today. University Grant Commission has unveiled the draft of the University Grants Commission invites comments by 18 January. A total of 228 new cases of COVID-19 have been reported in the country during the last 24 hours. In the second T20 cricket match, Sri Lanka defeated India by 16 runs in Pune last night. The series is now leveled at 1-1 with the third game to be played at Rajkot tomorrow.